Well, hey everybody, happy Sunday. There comes a time after winter in early spring where you just walk outside and you realize, oh my gosh, it's over. Spring is actually here. And I think today is one of those days. It has been sunny the last couple days. It is beautiful today, and I have gotten a ton done around here this week. I would love to hear what you guys have gotten accomplished this week too, where you're at. So many preparations for spring and gardens. It's so exciting. So check out some of the stuff I've done. I did end up moving these guys into my regular brooder box. It didn't take them long at all to outgrow those little tubs. So hopefully they're all sold by the time you see this. But I did want to show you them still using their heat plates, still doing really well. As your chicks grow, you can move the food and water farther away because they know where they're going, and gives them some time to spread out. They're starting to flip their little wings. They sure are cute. I'm really looking forward to Wednesday because we have some turkeys coming. And last year we didn't do turkeys at all. We took a break. So I really miss them. I don't know that I missed the hassle of them because they are a lot of work. And I certainly didn't miss the butchering of them. But I'm excited to have them back. I did miss having them around. So make sure that you tune in on Sunday so you can see this cute little baby turkeys running around. One fun sign of spring is seeing chickens back out and about. Not only can they come outside, but they actually want to. So let's go around and see if we can find some more stuff happening in the yard. There are some more chickens. Here's a wonderful sight. It's a dog outside where she should be instead of inside all the time. So exciting, buds on the lilac tree. Here's a fun sign of spring. I take this down in November when it starts to get cold, and I just put it up really for March 1st. And this is my rain gauge. Any of you, the Cocoa Raws people, where you report how much rain you've had locally, it is a great program. It really helps out just a lot of different agencies with your rain, and it helps you keep track of how much rain you're getting in your garden and your yard. I'll put a link down in the description so you can sign up. It's really not hard whatsoever. And it looks like we got some rain yesterday. We got another just a little over a ½ inch of rain. Oregano. My little shoots of garlic are coming up. I'm anxiously awaiting to see how my trees are going to do. I've planted a lot of trees back here the last year or two after we lost all the trees in the back and gained that cool thing. Here's a crabapple. So you can see my little mini forest here. So I'm hoping they all made it through the winter and we'll be back and we get some new growth this spring. Now that it's nicer, someone here wants to stay outside more and also thinks that all the surrounding fields in the neighbor's yard might be her territory too. So guess who has her electric fence collar back on today? And look at her longingly looking at the chicken coop that she's used to just being able to wander up there and maybe snag some food. That's just a few years ago we had to run electric fence around the chicken coop because she was constantly getting in there, eating all their feed and eating their eggs, and she still does if we don't have that collar on. So I kind of like to see justice served there a little bit. Okay, one thing that I am doing this week is getting my fruit trees in order. We have got a whole lot of fruit trees, several apple and some cherries, pears, peaches. I even have an almond tree, which is kind of fun. But these things all need to be pruned, and our fruit is not working well. It keeps rotting off the tree. So this year my goal is to make sure that, besides the peaches, which always do great when we have them, but my goal this year is to get these trees in order, make sure I'm spraying them enough, and making it so that we're actually getting some fruit back for the work that we're putting into this. Okay, well, I'm off to enjoy the day. I hope you have a great Sunday. Thanks so much for watching. this the breakfast of champions? I don't know about that, but if you've never had horseradish on your eggs, you are definitely missing out.